Hello, beloved. Let's get into the word. Matthew 7:7 reads, "If you ask, shall be given to you. If you seek, you shall find. And if you knock, it shall be opened unto you." Now, the problem with us, children of God, is that we are afraid to ask. As if God will not give you that which you ask. Funny enough, Jesus said in John 14:14, he said, "If you ask anything in my name, I'll give it to you." He said, "I will give it to you. Ask in my name, I'll give it to you." Now, going back to Matthew 7, verses 9 to 11, it reads that, "You men, which men amongst you, that the children will ask for bread and will give them stone? Child will ask a fish and give them a serpent." Say now, you being evil, how then do you know how to give good gifts to your children? Then how much more shall your Father which is in heaven give good gifts unto those who ask them? Now, the problem is not that God doesn't want to give you. The problem is that you don't have time. You don't make time to ask God. Go ahead and ask God. That thing that you are always dreaming about, that thing that you want to achieve, that position you want in your workplace, that husband that you desire, a unique husband designed for you, go and ask him. That house that you always dream about, go and ask him. The children that he has promised you, the children you are seeing in your dreams, go and ask him for those children. Go and ask him how to go about that ministry, how to go about that business idea you have. Ask him for funds for your business. Ask him for customers for your business. Ask him for your supplies for your business. Come on, let's ask him. He has everything set up for us, but we need to work together with him. Hallelujah. You are blessed.